is Tim with Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio, and welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Alright, we are on an Amana dryer that will not heat, so we're going to put it on the time dry and hit start. This one has the little peekaboo window, and we're just going to look down here and check out the operation of it. Right now our igniter is glowing, and it just stopped. So we're gonna get inside here, and the first thing that we're gonna check is the gas coils, since the igniter is glowing, and see if those aren't bad. Okay, the tools you'll need for this repair are a multimeter, a putty knife or painter's tool, a 5/16 nut driver, and a common Phillips screwdriver. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is remove power from the unit, remove the lint screen, take out the two Phillips bolts that hold the top on to the cabinet. Now we're going to take our putty knife or painter's tool and compress the clip on there and one on the other side. Now we can lift up our lid, and we have a connector that goes to the door switch that we'll put our tool in and release the tabs and remove that. Now we have two 5/16 bolts that hold on the front to the cabinet. We'll take those out of there. We can lift up on the front to release the clip on that side, and same thing on the other, and remove our whole door. You don't have to, but I'm gonna go ahead and remove the drum and check the belt. Belt looks good. So now we're going to go to our suspected culprit, and those are the gas coils right here. Alright, so we have our meter set to ohms, and we're going to remove the two connectors to the gas coils and check them out. We should get about 1.3 k ohms on this, so that one is good. And that one should be about the same reading, so it is completely open, and we know that we have a bad gas coil there. Alright, so now we're going to replace the gas coils, and we're going to remove this Phillips screw and just loosen this one. And that way we can lift up and rotate the guard out of the way. And I always replace them one for one, so we're going to remove the old one. Always take note of this sleeve. It should be replaced on there. Sometimes it sticks in the middle of this guy. So now we're going to put our connector back on. Well, actually, we're going to show you what a good reading looks like. So we just need to put this in with this nipple up, and we'll remove this old one and put the new one in. Now this one always read good. We should be at about 1.3 k ohms, and that's right on. This one was where it was bad. Then that one should be about 2K, and this is the final check on them, and that should be about 1.3 k ohms as well. So those are what good gas coils look like. So now we're just going to put our connectors back on, put our cover back on, make sure that the nipples line up, and tighten down our cover. And we are all set. Alright, so now we're going to put our drum back in and put our belt in its spot. We got it lined up on the rollers, and we just want to make sure that our felt gets in there real nice on the back. Put our belt back on. Just get the idler pulley in the right spot. Pull it back to release the tension and wrap it around the motor pulley. And that's all back on. We'll just let it hang out for a moment. And we'll take our front, line it up with the clips on the bottom. And push down, that seats it. And now we'll rotate or push the drum back a little bit to make sure that the front goes onto the felt correctly. And now we will put our mounting bolts on that holds the cabinet together. And then we will put our door switch back on. Tighten down the top. Reinstall our 2 Phillips screws. Put our lint filter back in. Plug our unit back in. Get it on the time. Always check it afterwards, because you know, it lets the belt line up, and we'll come down here to our peephole and see what's happening. Right now our igniter is glowing and we have flame. Everything is all set. Thank you for watching another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.